Places to visit in Mumbai. Part 2, Maharashtra Nature's Park.
Hello guys, we are in the Maharashtra National Park and we have just arrived over here, and now we will be exploring this beautiful nature's park in the middle of the city. It's the Maharashtra's best kept secret that we are going to reveal right now. So let's go.
It is Maharashtra's nature park, developed by MMRDA and World Wildlife Fund. This park is located at Bandra Saran Link Road, exactly on opposite of Dharavi slums. This park or jungle is created on the garbage dump with over 300 kinds of trees and multiple flora and fauna in it. It is the perfect place to be close to the nature and step away from the fixed mechanical life of the Mumbai's lifestyle.
Hello guys, we are at the creek area right now, and this is the area near the dumping zone, and so we'll be moving over here. We'll be looking at the trees and its scientific names. So let's go and find out. I am in the center of the Maharashtra Nature's Park. हम लोग यहाँ पे क्रीक एरिया में, इसको क्रीक एरिया इसलिए कहा जाता है कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स और बहुत सारे प्लांट्स हैं और बहुत सारे ट्रीज़ हैं जो कि हमने आज तक सुने नहीं थे. As you can see, I am in the middle of this forest, middle of the trees, and it's really awesome. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड ऐसा सोचा नहीं था कि मुंबई जैसी क्राउडेड सिटी के बीच में हमें कुछ ऐसा देखने को मिलेगा.
With only the entry fees of 5 rupees, you can have an experience of the lifetime.
We have covered the jungle area, that was creek area, and now we have entered into the nursery. So ये nursery कुछ normal nursery जैसी ही है. Like you can see, here is the nursery. एंड इसकी खास बात मेरे को ये लग रही है कि यहाँ पे प्लांट्स आपको बहुत सस्ते मिल सकते हैं. 5 रुपीज़ से लेके 20 रुपीज़ तक आपको कोई भी प्लांट्स मिल सकता है. वही प्लांट्स जो आपको बाहर 150 से 200 से 250 रुपीज़ में मिलते हैं, वही यहाँ पे 5 to 10 रुपीज़ में मिल सकते हैं बस.
So, make yourself lost into the nature to finally find yourself. And one more thing, Happy Earth Day. Thank you.